Like this game, it's a game of authority and showing people that you know what you're doing online before they ever get to know you, because that brings them into your funnel.
Trap money, Benny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get clients in social media marketing. So the first concept I'm going to go over is for people who already have capital to kind of go up front and are willing to spend money to get more leads inside of their pipeline. So what you're essentially going to want to do is, I'm guessing that if you're watching this video, you know about Facebook ads, how they work. You probably already have started down your journey in social media marketing, and the concept is for you to take a case study from, say, a local business within your niche. So say it's like a restaurant or a dentist, and then take a video explaining how you drove leads for that client and make that a Facebook post and an ad, and then run that to a landing page that you post on ClickFunnels. And then on ClickFunnels, you have an extra like demo video that's placed on there, going through the case study, explaining what you have done to drive those leads. And you're going to be targeting whoever that niche is, right? And this is a way that once they go through there, they watch the demo, if they're interested, you send them to a strategy assessment, which collects their goals, content, and targeting, and is something that I'm super passionate about. And it's super important to be able to collect that goals, content, and targeting before ever getting on a call with them, to make sure you have the right clients and not bad clients, because the right clients are ones that are willing to pay more money. And you know, whenever I first started my very first agency, it failed because it failed, right? And then I went and worked for a large agency, which I gained that experience, and then now I've started mine, and you know, I've seen success now. And I've noticed that the lower the client pays, the harder they are to work with, and you just don't want that, right? The ones that you tell your fee and they're just like, all right, here you go, let's pay it. Those are normally the clients that you want, right? So to go over that first tip, it's make some ads that state your case study and the value, drive that to a landing page where you give a demo more in depth on what you've done. Just another tip on that Facebook ad, try to make that 1 minute, so then you're able to cross post to Facebook and Instagram. And yeah, drive it there, send them to your strategy assessment, collect that lead, and then if they're qualified to your standards, get on a phone call with them. And then from that phone call, you can decide if they're a client that you want to move forward. So number 2 is being able to sell in Facebook groups. And Facebook groups are super powerful. There's lots of free communities out there where you guys can go in there, add lots of value, right? So don't just join a Facebook group and be like, hey, I'll do your social media marketing, right? You don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to come in, deliver value into that group, stating your authority. Like this game, it's a game of authority and showing people that you know what you're doing online before they ever get to know you, because that brings them into your funnel, right? And so whenever you do that, it's going to open up the door for so many other clients. But yeah, Facebook groups, post your content on there, you know, and that's going to lead to probably some inbound businesses coming in with you, trying to just message you, asking how you can help, then send them through your strategy assessment, qualify them, and so on. And you can also, you know, say you see somebody who's a business owner in there, you do a little quick audit, which I'm going to talk about in a second, of their digital presence. You see how you can help them, and then you send them a list of things that they could be doing different. Don't be like, hey, here's a list of things you can do, I can do it for you. Deliver so much value up front to where they're like, holy cow, this guy just added me so much value about telling me how I can increase my revenue in my business, what I'm doing wrong. Maybe they don't have a Facebook pixel installed on the website. You know, that's a super valuable thing. In our agency, we have a package just for plumbing and pixels where you can be like, we can install all this for you inside of Google Tag Manager, and then charge them $500 to $1,000. Our agency charges $1,000 to set up all their pixels tied to Google Tag Manager, which integrates everything correctly, which everybody should be doing, because there's lots of benefits just putting all pixels together inside of Google Tag Manager. The third thing is going to be like cold calling and just reaching out to people on email and LinkedIn, right? So this goes the same thing. Is say that you find a local business in your area where you go on their digital presence, you want them as a client, and you see they're lacking a lot of different things, right? Maybe their page speeds are low, and maybe their ads aren't performing well, maybe they're not utilizing video, and we know video is so powerful now. Find those different pain points that they're not doing right in their agency, and then reach out to them then and give them value on what they could be doing right. So then they're like, okay, or they can do it themselves, or you can land them for maybe some consulting, or they can turn into a client if they qualify. And so those kind of go across the board. Like, same thing if you're calling, do the same exact thing. Do your due diligence, figure out what they're doing right and what they're doing wrong, mainly wrong, because then that's where you come in and do it for them for a monthly fee. And yeah, same thing for LinkedIn, right? Find those different connections, reach out to them, find what they're doing wrong, add them value, and that will lead to clients. That's how we've been able to get clients, mostly by posting value online, because that creates inbound marketing, right? Inbound marketing leads the clients you want because they come to you, so they already show an interest of wanting to work with you. Almost all of our clients have came from inbound marketing from our personal brands, and those are the clients that we like to work with. So we're super specific, and we do not take everybody on because we want to focus on those good clients, because bad clients are a headache. So focus on people who meet your standards of excellence, are qualified through your strategy assessment, and then start building your personal brand, because that is what leads to inbound marketing, and that's what will get you clients in at scale and get you the clients that you want. So thank you guys for watching this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This has been Elliot Drake, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Yo, what's going on, guys? So I'm wrapping this up. I talked about the quick audit and an easy way that you guys can audit people's accounts, like their social presence, and see what they're doing online. And right now what I just did was I Googled local dentist, just for the sake of it. An example of what you guys can do is you can find those local businesses in your niche, and then go to their website and download programs like this Google Pixel Helper to see what kind of pixels they have, Google Tag Assistant, if you enable it. You can check to see, do they actually have their pixels on there, which allows you, okay, so they have Google Analytics. And, obviously they're not doing Facebook remarketing. So that's one thing that you guys can use as an audit. And then just make a video overview of like, hey, you don't have your Facebook pixel installed. And then you can go on here, find if they find their business from their website, and then go to, say, their Facebook page and their social channels, and then look through it, see if they're utilizing video, see what kind of stuff they're doing already, and then form, either just a video like this, where you walk through everything and tell them what they're doing wrong, how they should be using Facebook remarketing, and then tie that into the services that you could offer them. This is a client example, so I'm just going to go over it real quickly. But, if you're more in depth, you can go through and, really tag things out and explain the content, explain what they're doing wrong, explain your strategies, etc. And then print it off and send it to them. That's basically what a quick audit is. It should only take you maybe 30 minutes per business to do that. And it's an easy way to add them value up front by telling them what they're doing wrong. And then in exchange, you get in the door, you're able to pitch your services, and hopefully land some clients. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.
Trap, money, penny.